How to connect Instagram account to another Facebook account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, from Instagram, make sure you have unsynced your Facebook account which you want to add in another Instagram account. After that, go to your Facebook application. Then go to your menu bar from your top right. After that, go to settings, this gear icon. Now go to Account Center. Go to See More in Account Center. Now go to Profiles. Go to Add Account. And then from here, you will be able to select your Instagram account. Select your Instagram account. And then all you have to do is continue. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.